Good morning, dear students. Now we discuss about operators in C. What do you mean by operator? An operator is a symbol that tells a computer to perform certain mathematical or logical manipulations. He is called operator. Operator in the sense, an operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform certain mathematical or logical manipulations. C supports a rich set of built-in operators. There are 8 different types of operators available in the C. First one is arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, increment, decrement, conditional, bitwise and special operators. First one is arithmetic operator. C provides all the basic arithmetic operations. The operators are plus, minus, multiplication and division. The unary minus operator multiplies in a single operand by minus 1. Therefore, a number preceded by a minus sign change its sign. The arithmetic operators are the below table shows: plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus or remainder. Integer division truncate any fraction part. The modular division operations produce the remainder of an integer division. For example, a plus b, a minus b, a into b, a divided by b, a percentage b, another one is minus a into b, where a and b variables are known as operands. Same we discuss about integer arithmetic and real arithmetic. Integer arithmetic in the sense round figures, real arithmetic in the sense decimal operands. The below table shows if x comma y and z are floats, then x equals to 6 divided by 7.0, the value is 0.857143. Next one, y equals to 1.0 divided by 30, and the answer is 0.3333. Same, last one also same. Next one is mixed mode arithmetic. Mixed mode arithmetic in the sense either plus values or minus values. We have to adding the arithmetic operations. Relational operator. Whenever we want to compare two quantities, it can be done by comparison with the help of relational operators. An expression is a less than b or 1 less than 20. Containing a relational operator is termed as a relational expression. The value of the relational expression is entire 0 or 1. There are 6 relational operators available in C as shown in the below table. Greater than, equals to, less than, equals to, not equals to. Logical operator. The logical operator are used to when we want to test more than one condition and make decisions. An expression which combines two or more relational expressions is termed as a logical expression. Yield value 1 or 0. There are 3 logical operators as shown in the below table: logical and, logical or, logical not. Assignment operator. It is used to assign the result of an expression to a variable. The operator is equals to. It is a set of shorthand assignment operator of the form variable operator equals to expression. The below example shows x equals to x plus, open the braces, y plus 1. Second one is a equals to a plus 1. Increment operator. The plus plus is the increment operator which increments the value by 1 when it is used in an expression for variable invert int var. Then plus plus int var, this is pre-increment. The value of int variable must be incremented before it is used. It means that first it increment and then it is used the values. For example, a equals to plus v. This has two equivalent assignment statements as shown below. B equals to b plus 1, a equals to b. This is post increment. The value of int variable is used and then it increments the value. It means the first it used value and it increments. For example, this is two equivalent assignment statements as shown given below. A equals to b, b equals to b plus 1. Decrement operator. The decrement operator is same as the increment operator. We have to use it for minus minus, pre-decrement and post-decrement. Conditional operator. Yeah, it is a ternary operator. The symbol is question mark and is used to construct conditional expression. The general form is expression 1 question mark, expression 2 is to expression 3, where expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3 are the expressions. The operator is question mark and is to works as expression 1 is evaluated first. If it is true, then expression 2 is evaluated and becomes the value of the expression. If it is false, then expression 3 is evaluated and becomes the value of the expression. Either expression 2 or expression 3 is evaluated. Example, a equals to 10, b equals to 15, x equals to a greater than v, question mark, a is to b. According to the example, the value of b will be assigned to x, the value of x equals to 15. Bitwise operator. These operators are used to manipulate at bit level. It is used to test for bits, shift them either left or right. The bitwise operator cannot be applied on float or double. The below table shows bitwise operator, bitwise AND, bitwise OR, exclusive OR, complement, left shift and right shift. The special operator in the sense the comma operator, size of operator, pointer operator and member selection operator are the special operators. Rules and evaluation of expressions. First, parenthesized sub-expression from left to right are evaluated. If parentheses are nested, the evaluation begins with the innermost sub-expressions. The precedence rules is applied in determining the order of application of operators in evaluation sub-expression. The associativity rule is applied when two or more operators of the same precedence level appear in the sub-expression. Arithmetic expressions are evaluated from left to right using the rules of precedence. When parentheses are used, the expression within parentheses assumes highest priority. Precedence of arithmetic operator. An arithmetic expression without parentheses will be evaluated from left to right using the rules of precedence of operator. There are two distinct priority levels of arithmetic operators in C: high priority and low priority. High priority symbol is plus divided by percentage, low priority plus minus. The basic evaluation precedence includes two left to right passes through the expression. During the first pass, the higher priority operates are applied as they are encountered. During the second pass, the lower priority operates are applied as they are encountered. For example, x equals to a minus b divided by 3 plus c into 2 minus 1. When a equals to 9, b equals to 12, and c equals to 3. Same situation we have to use c. Then statement is x equals to 9 minus 12 divided by 3 plus 3 into 2 minus 1. First pause is x equals to 9 minus 4 plus 3 into 2 minus 1. The second pause is 9 minus 4 as it is plus 2 3 is 6 minus 1. Second pause, step 1, 9 minus 4 equals to 5 plus 6 minus 1. Step 2, x equals to 11 minus 1, x equals to 10. That is the answer. Same. Example 2 also same. Discuss about some questions. An operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform certain mathematical or logical manipulations. Mathematical, logical manipulations, both, none of these, both. Second question is, which operator is used as assignment operator? Double equals to, less than equals to, less than and greater than, equals to operator. And the third question is, which operator is used for decrement operator? Minus minus, plus minus, plus plus, all the above. Which one is correct? Minus minus. Fourth question, the combination of variables, constants and operator arranged as per the syntax of the language is called as constant, variable, looping, expression. Which one is correct? Expression is the correct. Fifth question, what is the purpose of percentage arithmetic operator? Addition, remainder, subtraction, all the above. Remainder is the correct. Sixth question, which relational operator is used as not equal operator? Equal, double equals to, less than equal, not equal, less than and greater than, not equal. Seventh question, when do we use logical operator? To compare one quantity, to compare two quantities, to compare more than one condition, all the above. The answer is all the above. Eighth one, which logical operator is used for logical AND? Double lines, one line not operator, double AND symbol, at AND symbol. Which one is correct? AND is correct. Thank you, students.